This is Artams.ai. What matters in tech and beyond. The era of the simple chatbot is ending. We are entering a phase of autonomous agentic systems that don't just talk, but actually execute complex work across our digital and physical worlds. Mark Zuckerberg is making a massive bet on the infrastructure of agency. Meta just unveiled Muse Spark 1.1. This is not just another model, update, cohort of OpenAI. And Anthropic, Meta is undercutting the competition on price, offering its API at about a quarter of what the industry leaders charge. But the real story is beneath the software. Meta is moving toward total vertical integration. They are launching their own AI chip called Iris in September to handle inference and bypass hardware bottlenecks. The scale here is staggering. Meta plans to bring 14 gigawatts of computing capacity online by 2027. This is more electricity than some small countries use. They are not just building a model, they are building a sovereign engine for the agentic economy. When the tools can execute, the role of the human has to change. This shift is already hitting the software engineering world. We are seeing a transition where the individual contributor role, every engineer is becoming a frontline manager. Instead of writing every line of code, they are now orchestrating fleets of agents. This is leading to a future of tiny teams. Gartner predicts that by 2029, 60% of organizations. We are even seeing the rise of vibe coding, where the focus shifts from syntax to high-level intent. The pressure is shifting from the ability to produce code. Engineers feel more capable than ever. Yet, they are more drained because they are now babysitting a digital workforce. While coding agents handle the logic, specialized agents are tackling the most complex human domains. In medicine, the focus is moving toward a 5-level competency hierarchy. It starts with simple knowledge, recognition, and climbs clinical scenarios. Recent benchmarks of 18 state-of-the-art models show a fascinating divide. Medical specialist models are crushing it in diagnosis-centric tasks. However, the generalist models still lead in decision support and patient dialogue. This suggests a hybrid future. We will likely route high-stakes diagnostic queries to specialized agents while using general models for the human interface. It is a move toward a precision intelligence that mirrors how actual hospitals. This total reliance on a few massive AI and cloud providers is creating a new kind of systemic risk. The United Kingdom is now stepping in to manage it. Starting July 13th, the Bank of England and other regulators will begin formal oversight of critical third parties. This includes the giants like Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, Microsoft, and Oracle. The goal is to ensure that a single failure at one of these providers does not trigger a regional financial collapse. This regulatory tension is happening against a backdrop of geopoliticity in the Middle East. The Qatari between the United States and Iran is effectively over. This uncertainty is rippling through the markets. Bitcoin is retesting the $64,000 level, driven more by semiconductor rallies and yen strength than by crypto news. We are seeing a world where the stability of our financial systems depends entirely on the stability of a few server farms. Today's through line is a shift from AI as a tool to AI as infrastructure. Whether it is Meta's 14 gigawatt power play, the shrinking of engineering teams, or the United Kingdom's new regulatory grip on cloud giants, we are seeing the same pattern. Intelligence is becoming a utility, and the companies that control the hardware. The risk is no longer about whether the AI is smart enough. It is about whether the system is too big to fail. This was the Artems.ai. Agent tune in tomorrow.